There's an old saying, every home is a person's castle. Finding your castle on your own can seem stressful and difficult and may seem like a perilous journey. But you don't have to face these challenges alone. Our experienced team can help you navigate through all the pitfalls of buying real estate. Communication is key, so we stay in constant contact with you through the whole process, and we do all the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Not only will we be there with you on your epic journey, but we'll also be there to share in your triumphs. Owning your own home doesn't have to be a fairy tale. Buy your castle, sell your castle. EastCoastCastles.ca